Hey, welcome back. So far you have built AI agents, but the interface was just in the command line, so we wanted to keep it simple and focus on the agent architecture. But now we're gonna take things further and we're gonna build this web app. So it's the same agent, but it can be accessed through the browser from a URL. And we're actually going to publish this to deploy it in a server so everyone can access your web app. This is how it works. So when the user visits the URL, it is prompted to allow the location, to share the location, because now this web app is going to get the user's location, right? So the browser has to ask permission from the user because the browser will get the location and send it to the agent. And then if I write here, what is the weather, without specifying a location, then the agent will look at my location and it will give me the weather conditions for that location. But I can ask for other places as well, such as what is the weather in Tokyo, for example, and it will give you the actual weather right now. So that's the temperature in Tokyo. Now there's also memory persistence. So if I reload this, the conversation stays there. And I can also create a new conversation to start from scratch. So that is pretty cool. It has a lot to learn from. So let's get going. See you in the next video.